Hi, Enrique. It's nice to see you.
Good morning.
Now, I hear that Glassline has recently have they launched a new cutting line, or you've added some new features to a cutting line that you've been focusing on here?
Well, we've been finding out that people is looking to purchase larger format glass and start doing their own cut downs instead of buying block size from the float plants. I think that it's going to become a trend in the near future. So we developed a line where we're loading semi-jumbo or jumbo size glass and then cutting it with a CNC cutter, and then breaking it down and palletizing it so that the customer can do their own block sizes.
Okay, so they're cutting it themselves rather than buying it in cut sizes. Okay,
yes.
Great. And so what does being able to do that themselves, what does that kind of offer them, or what benefit does it bring to their operations?
I think that they are finding out that it is harder for them to buy the sizes that they need. So they are being cornered to buy certain sizes, and their yield on the glass, when they cut it down to their needs, is very low.
Okay.
So when they do their own block sizes, their yields are going to be better. They are not going to waste so much glass.
Okay. And so what's it been like here at the show this week talking to people?
It's been a little slower than last year. We have seen less people than 2 years ago in the show. I don't know if it is a sign that the economy is coming down, or it is slowing, or what, but it has been significant, the traffic that we have seen this year compared to 2 years ago.
Oh, okay. All right. So when you're done, when you get back to the office and you're settled in, what's the first that, how do you kind of tackle kind of what you've brought back as far as, new customer leads or contacts? How do you get them all organized and hopefully turn them into some future sales?
Baby steps. Get caught up with everything that has been happening last week, and then start making cold calls to people that we see here.
Okay. So when someone orders one of the cutting lines, what's the turnaround time before it would be installed?
Our lead time is about 7 to 8 months, depending on the final scope. If it is a small machine, maybe we can do it in 5 months or so. But if it is a complete line, our lead times are anywhere between 6 to 8 months, and a lot of it is the lead time of the components that we need to do. And if the customer is requiring customization control-wise or anything like that, then we are at the mercy of our vendors.